In today's video, I'm going to show to you the current updates and what we can expect in My Defi Pet this June 2021. So this is an updated version. And before of course we start, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I just reached 10,000 subscribers, guys. I'm really happy, and that is why I am really motivated to create new videos for you guys, for you to learn, and for you to educate you guys to be able to be a smart and responsible play to earn gamer, or someone who just likes to watch cryptocurrency videos. So let's just jump right into it. So it has been linked into the messenger that this month we will be able to hatch, to feed, to breed and trade on the market, which is a pretty much good news for my DeFi Pet users. It is because we can now monetize. Okay, we can now make money probably inside the platform, which of course the reason why my DeFi Pet price is really going up. If you go into check into their pool coin, so you can see it here. So it is into this part right here. Okay, so the current price is around 0.40. Before it was around into 0.20 stuff. So it goes up by 100% just for a few days. So this is a really exciting news for us guys, because those people who've tried to play my DeFi Pet, especially onto the beta phase, will be now able to to try to get their ROI inside their platform. So you can breed into this happy forest. However, into this text right here, it displays hamper forest, but it is happy forest, and we will be able to to sell, to buy and trade the pets that we have into the marketplace right here. So the other update that I'm also going to discuss with you guys is this cage right here. So every cage, in my experience, okay, I've already leveled up everything, okay, every cage that I have, and you can see that the cage that I have here as well is is high end cages. So I do have a wyvern, I do have a chimera. So into this part right here, you can only upgrade your cage up to level 3. So currently into this update, maybe they will have an option for them to upgrade this maybe to level 4 or level 5. But right now the max level for the cages is level 3. So make sure that if you're just starting into the game, please do focus on accumulating some of your coins and be able to buy a higher uh, a higher cage that can store more coins, so that even if you gone AFK, you will be able to get a lot of coins as well, so that you can farm more, you can create more, you can plant more potatoes, you can have more food for your pets, and you can also upgrade your cages here. So that's the basic part right here. Of course, the staking part will also come maybe uh, this month as well. As you can see, you can stake your DPET here for great rewards. Previously, I've known that you can get an egg for every a specific amount of DPET that you stake here. But let's just wait for further announcements on this part right here. So as you can see here, there's also a little mailbox into this part right here, which is mailbox. So you will see all of the messages into this mailbox right here. So sorry for the weird background. Okay. Um, for the incubator, you can still buy on here on this part right here, and for the gems, okay, still it is just used for upgrading, for just speeding up the time of your upgrade. Right now, I just really hope that they will be able to show um, to show some uh, functionalities, something that you can use other than speeding up time for the gens. Because I mean, if you're a patient guy like me, probably you won't spend gens for this one. Okay, maybe let's wait for the further announcements. And what I really hope as well is I really have a question if this trees right here can be cleared, okay? Because it really blocks a lot of space right here. However, it is not needed for us to have um, more spaces because we are really limited on this part right here. But so far so good. This is looking great. So there's also a farmhouse right here, which also will be able to the thing will be able to explain this functionality in the future as well. And of course, the much more awaited PvP. Let's go back into the screenshot that was made by my fellow friend. Okay, so right now, okay, Danny Ho just confirmed that there will be a hatching feature, there will be a feeding feature, breed and trade. However, the PvP is not yet completed. However, I think it is into the roadmap that it will also come this month or maybe next month. Okay, so let's just stay tuned for this one, and do not forget that my DeFi Pet is still really cheap right now. If you remember Axie Infinity before, for you to buy an Axie, you just going to pay around $7, $2, $3, and right now, every single Axie that you need to buy is around $200. So the price just skyrocketed for around 100x. So this is also possible, and it my DeFi Pet can also achieve greater heights. Of course, if they are able to cater all of these expectations that they have into this game. And as well, it is on the Binance Smart Chain, so for the fees, it is not really hurtful, unlike Axie Infinity's Ethereum, which of course you need to pay for a gas fee, and that really hurts a lot of gamers as well, because sometimes when you're paying gas, even if you're paying you're paying something that is really cheap, you will get into a situation wherein the gas fees are much more expensive than what you've just brought. So this is a really good news for my DeFi Pet team, and as I level up, I'm going to start acquiring more pets, or maybe just go straight on a breeding feature right here, so that we can get more pets into battle and be able to get a head advantage onto this game. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and for my DeFi Pet, okay, just for my DeFi Pet Philippines, just join this link right here for the Filipino gamers out here, and they also have a My DeFi Pet official that is for more of like an international community. Okay, so they do have 21,000 members, so you can always join into this Telegram group. So special shout out for Ermi Nancy, a Filipino community manager of My DeFi Pet Philippines, for helping us Filipinos to be able to play My DeFi Pet with ease and to avoid some scams that are happening as well, because there's a lot of scams going on. But it is just more like a P2P. It is not a scam inside My DeFi Pet. It is a scam that is being made by other people that is outside of the My DeFi Pet ecosystem. So a really great shout out as well to Rainer, who is helping me for my DeFi Pet, for me to be able to to evolve, to be able to start into this game. So a really good shout out for Filipino community. So they have 1,600 members right now, and it is really growing good. So that is it for this video again, guys. Sorry for the pretty much a shout out section right here. Do not forget to subscribe to Crypto Addict for more daily blockchain and play to earn cryptocurrency games for you to make money. So that's it, and see you on my next video.